Welcome to the world of simple ingredients that pack a big health punch. We're about to unlock the magic of carrots and lemons, two kitchen staples that are more than meets the eye. You know them, you love them, but are you ready to discover their incredible health benefits? Get ready to dive into the world of vitamins, antioxidants, and delicious flavors. We'll explore how these humble ingredients can contribute to your overall well-being. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin, carrots and lemons are about to become your new best friends in the kitchen. So, grab your cutting board, a sharp knife, and your sense of adventure. We're going on a flavor-packed journey to unlock the incredible health benefits hidden within these everyday ingredients. Let's get started. Carrots are known for their vibrant orange color and satisfying crunch. But did you know that they're also packed with nutrients? Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, supporting your immune system, and promoting cell growth and development. Think of beta-carotene as a superhero for your eyes. It helps protect against age-related vision problems and keeps your eyesight sharp. Carrots also contain fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber keeps things moving smoothly in your gut and promotes regularity. So next time you reach for a snack, remember the incredible benefits of carrots. They're not just a tasty treat, they're a powerhouse of nutrition that can contribute to your overall health and well-being. Lemons are like little bursts of sunshine in your kitchen, bringing a tangy flavor and a refreshing aroma. But beyond their culinary appeal, lemons are a treasure trove of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, boosts your immune system, and contributes to healthy skin. Think of vitamin C as a shield that protects your body from harmful free radicals. It also plays a vital role in collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. Lemons are also a good source of potassium, which is an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance and muscle function. So next time you add a squeeze of lemon to your water or recipe, remember the powerful vitamin C boost you're giving your body. Lemons are a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and add a burst of flavor to your day. Now imagine the combined power of carrots and lemons. When you mix these two ingredients, you create a nutritional powerhouse that can supercharge your health. The beta-carotene from carrots and the vitamin C from lemons work synergistically to boost your immune system, protect your cells, and promote overall well-being. The fiber in carrots supports healthy digestion, while the potassium in lemons helps regulate fluid balance. Together, they create a balanced and refreshing drink that can be enjoyed any time of day. This simple combination is a testament to the fact that sometimes the most powerful solutions are found in the simplest ingredients. So, ditch the sugary drinks and embrace the natural goodness of carrot and lemon juice. It's a delicious and healthy way to hydrate, boost your nutrient intake, and enjoy the combined benefits of these two amazing ingredients. Ready to experience the magic of carrot and lemon? Here are a few easy-to-try recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Simply blend 2 cups of chopped carrots with the juice of 1 lemon and a splash of water. Adjust the consistency to your liking by adding more water. Add a kick to your juice with a small piece of fresh ginger. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can soothe an upset stomach. Combine carrots, lemon, and a sweet apple for a flavor-packed juice that's perfect for a midday pick-me-up. Feel free to experiment with different flavor combinations and find your favorite way to enjoy the goodness of carrots and lemons. You can also incorporate these ingredients into your meals by adding grated carrots to salads or using lemon zest to brighten up your dishes. Carrots and lemons are a testament to the fact that simple ingredients can have a profound impact on our health. By incorporating these everyday heroes into your diet, you can unlock a world of flavor and nutrition. So, embrace the magic of simple ingredients and experience the power of carrots and lemons firsthand. Share your culinary creations and inspire others to discover the joys of healthy eating. Let's raise a glass to the simple yet extraordinary power of nature's bounty.